guys, this is me. Hey guys, this is me, Marty, and this is the vlog apparently. It's really, really nice out. It's probably windy because I have my camera up against the window. Hold up. There we go. And it's really, really nice. It's a day off, so we're out driving and enjoying the nice weather. And we're going to go see a waterfall reservoir thing that Sam has seen and she wants to show me. And yeah, so that is what we are doing. It's really pretty out. Come on, focus. There we go. Of course, we pass all the greenery and into the barren fields as soon as it focuses. But Sam wanted to show you her eye.
Yo. The car won.
Her bag or something got caught on the car and it sprung up and I guess smacked her right in the face. So yeah.
No!
No? Oh. That's how I envision it in my head.
No, the string got stuck here, right? I was halfway out of my car and like my face was right here because I'm like the same height as my freaking car. Go figure. It tugged and I turned and smoked my eye right off here. That's what happened. That's why it's so messed up. Oh. It's so freaking bad. Like, why is this happening to me?
Watch the road. We're driving. Or you're driving.
Touche.
I'm not.
Touche.
But yes, so we are out. I don't know if you can see the big electric fans.
Windmills.
Yeah, the windmills. Always call them fans. They're all over the mountain across here.
Got fans on fans on fans.
Yes. Anyway, I'm gonna stop and I'll be back when we're by the water. All right, we are coming up to the water. Well, here's the water right there, but I guess there's like a thing. I think I know. I picture in my head what it is, but I'm not sure. It looks like this is a it's a reservoir. It's on Reservoir Road. The water's so still.
This is balm.
It is.
Beautiful view.
It is. What bothers me though is that it's a really curvy road and that there's no guardrail. Like driving back here and it gets you hit a patch of ice.
Yeah, you're screwed.
Oh, that's cool. It's like little stairs. Oh wait. They turn that down. You can hear the water. That's so cool. But yeah, it's like, whoops. Little stairs of water. It's really neat. So we ended up driving to this place they call the hang gliding spot, which I think is actually a hang gliding spot. So there's like carpet on the grass and it's like this big lump of hill. But the view is just beautiful. I love it. This is Pennsylvania, yay, yay. And then there's the sunset there. It's great. I love it. So I am on my way to go and meet Sam. It's nice and bright out. The weather has gotten beautiful. And I am loving it. Also, I feel like the lighting looks good on me currently, even though I am like squinting into the sun because it's shining like directly in my face. Also, I don't know how well I can be seen. I'm tired. I'm on new meds, so that's fun. I need a Monster or caffeine. Hopefully I'll get a Monster. We'll see. But what a day, what a day, what a day. And what a week it's been. Just realized it's Good Friday. Which might explain why there's like everybody home right now. So, yeah.
What we do here is go back.
So, change of plans. We ended up going back up to the hang gliding spot again instead of going to work. It was so beautiful. I always thought we'd watch the sunset here. But the problem is the sun's over there and the clearing faces this way. So, that's what we're doing now instead. So, me and Sam got together to go and get Chinese food.
What's up, guys?
And we drove to the Chinese buffet that's in our area, and we ended up finding out that it was fucking closed. After sitting there and talking about it for probably 10 minutes, we ended up deciding to drive an extra 45 minutes to another Chinese buffet, hoping that it is open, because we didn't even...
I checked on my phone.
Oh, you did? Okay.
Yes.
I was going to say, because I didn't think we actually thought to look that up.
Yeah, 11 a.m. to 9:30.
Good. So we at least got that. So now we are on our way up to another Chinese buffet for food and just food.
Yeah, Chinese.
Heck yeah.
I'm pretty sure they have sushi too, which is gonna be on point.
Hell yeah. No, not hell yeah. Not hell yeah.
Say that, Joselyn. Change a little.
But it's gotten like so nice out. Everything has turned green. Wait, focus. There we go. Like, look at this compared to the last time you saw the outside. But I'm gonna probably just do another time-lapse thing, even though you guys probably have seen too many time-lapses already this video. Deal with another one. So, I've been looking for a way to end this nature adventure vlog. And me and Sam were driving around and we passed this and I was like, this is the perfect thing. Look at that. Water shooting up into the sky. And it's like really, really high. Like, Sam, kind of stand. So, I mean, even though, like, look at in comparison to how high it is. It's awesome and cool as hell. I don't know if it's, I'm pretty sure that's runoff from a mine, but I don't know for sure. It smells like sulfur water, and I mean, it looks like it too from like this smaller one over here. You can see the orange and shit.
Ask your fans what would happen if you sat on it. What if you sat on it?
Like, she wants to know, comment down below what you think about what would happen if you sat on it, because that's her concern. But anyway, I think this is actually going to be where I end this vlog finally, because I've been looking for an ending point. So if you guys enjoyed these adventures in nature, because shit, we went to a bunch of things. This is the same video that has like the reservoir and like the hang gliding spot in it.
Sweet.
Yeah, so it has like all this cool nature stuff in it. If you guys enjoyed that, give it a thumbs up, comment down below. Also, be sure to hit subscribe and check me out on my social media down in the description bar. And I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye! Say bye.
Later,